Okay, next tool beside fill tool is transparency tool. It has all of these tools, and you can see if you just click and drag, you can create changing opacity with gradient. You can see we have opacity 0 here and 100% opacity here. This is a linear that you can change this. This is a black and white code. It's not color. So in settings, again, we have none, elliptical, like before, radial, conical, mesh, you can see mesh, and hatch. I think in this case you can see hatch as cutting object. You can see you can see you can change something like this, change here orientation and something like that. Okay, so you can create such a this effects with transparency. Interesting.